Hello, so in this video I'm just going to talk a little bit about magnetic field and the shape of the magnetic field. So first, magnetic field is the area of magnetic force around a magnet. The shape that this takes is just complete loops from one pole to another, specifically from the North Pole to the South Pole. Other things to note is that the closer the lines are together, like you see up top here, the stronger the magnetic force will be, and the farther away the lines are, the weaker the force is. And here you can see just some examples of magnets placed over iron filings and just kind of how they are rearranging themselves to do exactly what we said that they would, going north to south. We're trying to separate from one another here. We see that separation. And there you have a little bit of information on magnetic fields and what their field lines look like.